Hello all, and welcome back to CJW Music Tutorials. In this video, it's another vocal tutorial that I'm going to give to you today. I want to basically come on and do what I call a fifths exercise, where you go from 1 degree of the scale to the 5th degree of the scale. So you're simply doing a pentascale. Ready? Take a deep breath and go. There you go. And I will play along. Ready? And I'm going to start on middle C, but you can do, if you're a male, do this one. If you're a female, that one. It doesn't really matter which one you do. This one or that one. It doesn't matter where you start. You just want to pick a comfortable C. And we're going to choose this key because it's probably one of the simplest ones. So, ready? And go. Stop, take a deep breath, and again. Good, and I'm going to do one for the men down here. Ready? And breathe in and go. Nice. Ready? Do it by yourself. Ready, breathe, and. Okay, so now you've got the pentascale in your brain there. And what you're going to do now is you're going to go. Then and then up until you get to a point where it may not be as comfortable for you. You want to make sure that you're not straining, you're not going, you're not like straining the larynx. You want to make sure you're breathing to make it come out smoother, right? You don't want to have any tension in the throat. If you watch, there was a video I put previously on this channel which has the pentascales in it and the audio and everything like that. If you go back to that video, that should have at least an octave's worth of pentascales going up and down. If not, I will find the video and repost it on this channel. But this is one of the ways we start doing intervals, singing in intervals, and doing degrees of scales. So, any questions or comments, you're welcome to put them down below, and I will see you in the next video.